All right, I got Doorthy back from the muffler shop. They didn't have flange gaskets, so it's got a little bit of an exhaust leak, but it sounds good now. Some old Flowmasters laying around, so I brought those. So I used Flowmasters, and then they did dual exhaust, and I had to put a crossover also. And then I had to put the turn downs just in front of the rear end, kind of angle outward, so that when I'm doing a burnout, it pushes the smoke out of the tires, kind of like a V. This is kind of a tribute to Ted Evans. He had this '68 Dart. I went with him to Carlsbad long time ago. This freaking car, he had the exhaust, I think, right in front of the tires, just pushing out at an angle. When he did a burnout in that thing, it was like the space shuttle doing a launch on the ground. Horizontal launch. It was so badass. So I've always wanted to have a car where the exhaust dumps in front of the tires like that. So it's not quite in front of the tires, because it would have gotten complicated, and I didn't want to get complicated. So, but it does push out, so it'll push the air and the smoke out kind of towards the tires, maybe even behind the tires, but we'll see what it does. But car sounds way better. I'm not getting a headache now. So I'm pretty stoked with it. Hear that? But when it was open header, that would have just made you deaf. Woke up the whole neighborhood. Everybody be coming out with pitchforks and torches. So no, it sounds really good, man. Holy crap. Sounds like a freaking muscle car. Granny's muscle car. Exhaust. What do you guys think?